Welcome back, guests. I have a very special guest with me on this podcast, this chit chat. I have Varuni. I know her from her Voice of Crypto days. Now she has made a shift. She's with the Coin Republic. She's somebody who's been covering crypto industry for some time now, and I had the privilege and honor of interacting with her during her Voice of Crypto days. I want to have a quick chat with her and understand about her journey, where the industry is heading, and all of that. And then we take it from there. Varuni, welcome to my show.
Thank you so much for having me here, and it's great to be on the other side because
sure.
today I'm the one who will be answering questions and you get to ask the questions.
Sure, yeah, absolutely.
Glad to be here.
So I'm so happy to see you for two reasons. A, you know, our crypto and Web3 industry is a male-dominated industry like any other.
Yeah.
95% men. Good to see you here. Please continue to push the cause of bringing more women leaders like you. Second, I'm so happy that you've been consistently raising the bar in terms of the media and what you're doing for crypto. So tell us a little bit about your journey.
Yeah, it's been my pleasure and honor to be a part of this space, and I feel like while there is still a bit of disparity in terms of the gender gap in this industry, as you rightly said, is the case with most of the tech finance sectors.
Sure.
However, what I love the most about Web3 is that there is no discrimination for any of the genders, and
Sure.
I started off my journey as a journalist, and
Sure.
I was with AMB Crypto, Bean Crypto, FX Empire, and made my way from being a journalist, then an editor, and now an editor-in-chief. I run content and media as well as news at the Coin Republic. We've been in the market for about 4 or 5 years.
Nice.
Which does feel like over a decade in the crypto space.
Yes.
And while I've myself been in the crypto space for about 4 years now, it feels like I've grown super old in this space. Every year in itself feels like about 4 or 5 years. So it's been a great journey. Power packed is the word that
Sure.
I have for the space, because there's something new coming in every now and then, and you just get a hold of things happening in the market, and it sort of keeps you on the edge, keeps you excited. So I feel like for people who want to explore anything and everything out there, crypto Web3 is the place to be.
Beautiful.
And, yeah.
Beautiful. So we have seen a lot of, the goods and the bads and the ups and the downs in the crypto media industry and media. What do you think makes your organization unique? And as a person who is a journalist who's been now an editor-in-chief, what do you think needs to change in crypto Web3 media space?
So media is always a tricky business. We call ourselves the fourth pillar of democracy. And a lot of what happens in whichever sector you name it happens because of media.
Sure.
Talk about marketing, talk about PR, talk about the visibility. That's what media brings.
Sure.
Now, media holds a lot of power, but I do believe that, with great power comes great responsibility. And
Absolutely.
the responsibility factor has been lacking in the Web3 space. Now, I've been a big advocate for decentralization.
Sure.
Of late, any of the questions that I ask my guests is around true decentralization. How do you achieve that?
Sure.
Do you aim to achieve that? Will it ever be a reality?
Sure.
And I feel like blockchain and media, if can be teamed together in the form of a decentralized media, that would be a real game changer for not just Web3 media, but media and news in general.
Beautiful.
At this point, we know that a lot of media houses are governed by politics, by the governments of whichever country you name it. I mean, you have the Democrats and Republicans having their own media houses. Back in India, you have
Sure.
your own media houses. So what really lacks is true narrative and real fact telling.
Sure.
So news is supposed to be just facts. It is not supposed to be biased. But unfortunately, a lot of news and media organizations are biased. They come up with their own news. They have their own opinions,
Sure.
which isn't wrong. But we're trying to get the truth out, right? And that sort of gets missed.
Beautiful.
Where we place ourselves at Coin Republic, and with me and quite a few other talented people leading the team, I feel that the future for news has to be decentralized.
Sure.
We will try to work around something which can make news as decentralized as a DAO, where you can have news, you can have people pitching their news, and validators sort of validating that and coming in and getting that out.
Sure.
The only issue with that is a time factor, because news has to be timely.
I know,
right?
it has to be real time, yeah.
So the time factor is where we really lack the idea of decentralization in news. But if at all
Sure.
we're able to make that happen, maybe with Zebu or some other great firms out there, I
Sure.
think that is going to be the aim for the sector.
Beautiful. What's your message and takeaway for young women leaders wanting to come into the Web3 and crypto space?
Do not be scared. Do not be overwhelmed. I know that this space is really overwhelming. When I was a journalist, so I wanted to learn more. As a journalist,
Sure.
you have to be. I like to say that we have to be, jack of all trades and master of one.
Yeah.
So, I think mine is communication. Mine is talking. So that's what
Sure.
I do best, which is why I'm here. But most importantly, I feel for women out there, they're scared of putting themselves out there.
Sure.
And that's one thing that if you get past that, it's only about taking that first step, and from there the journey is rather easy. So don't be scared. Don't be scared of asking questions and just learning, putting yourself out there, and I'm sure that you will see success whichever field you are in.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Varani, for taking
Thank
time.
you so much for having me here. It's always a pleasure to meet you and the Zeebo team, and we look forward to collaborating.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thanks.